I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin by preparing the laptop so the install runs smoothly. First, confirm you have a 64-bit CPU, at least 4 GB RAM, and 20 GB free. Once done, download the Android x86 ISO and Rufus or Etcher to create a bootable USB. Make sure to enable USB boot in BIOS or UEFI and temporarily disable fast startup. You should also back up any important files because the installer may modify partitions. Now plug in the USB and reboot to the boot menu to continue. Once you see the boot menu, choose Live first if you want to test drivers, otherwise select Install to start. During installation, pick or create an ext4 partition and format only the target partition to avoid wiping other OSes. Make sure to install Grub to allow dual boot. Choose to enable hardware drivers when prompted so Wi-Fi and graphics work. Set your locale, time, and a user account. After the installer finishes, remove the USB and reboot to see Android start on your laptop. After the first boot, you will complete Android setup and login. Make sure to update the Play Store and apps if the build includes Google services. For better performance, enable 3D acceleration in settings or experiment with kernel/options like NAMODset if graphics act up. If the system fails to boot, check the ISO checksum you downloaded and recreate the USB. Also verify BIOS SATA mode, OSI recommended, and secure boot is off. If problems persist, try a different Android x86.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.